What is going on, everybody? Today we have a new EDC pouch in the house by BrotacGear, made in Indonesia. This is the sleek pouch. It's pretty cool designly pouch. I really thought I really wanted to take a look at it. They make a lot of cool EDC gear, lanyard beads, ranger eyes, all kinds of stuff. So they definitely give me an appearance that they are very big fans in the EDC community. So, and that's very important. So, not just to design something for the sake of designing something, but to design something that is competitive, that is appealing to people. So, let's go ahead and take a look at it and see if it really stacks up. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. Cut that right there. Pretty cool packaging, even though packaging doesn't really mean a whole lot. It's really what's inside the packaging. So there we go. So, oops, was there anything else in there? Sometimes I get a little ahead of myself. So cool little box. Alright. Ziploc pouch. There we go. So, very cool. They even give you a cool little ranger eye. Show you what it's all about. So there's some information. Durable, waterproof, hand wash, do not bleach, blah blah blah. BrotacGear. Very cool. So we got a full section of loop there, so you can stick a lot of ranger eyes on there. They also have it cut out for, that's very nice. So it actually has fabric on the inside, so you have a little molle loop here, a little section here. So if you want to attach something that's molle attached, it attaches right there, and it doesn't loop on the inside because it has fabric on the inside, so that makes it pretty rugged. So that's cool. We got a YKK zipper, so we got a cool little pull, so it pulls all the way over, full clamshell. And we have a nice little, little pocket over here. This is for, there it is. That's what I was kind of wondering if it was in the box. So we have a nice little 1-inch sling, and that's what hooks on to over here. So if you want to sling it over your shoulder, whatever, carry it, you can do that. You could also use just a standard carabiner and fasten it to your pants. So there's the inside. So we got one good sized pocket right here, and we got 3 little stretchies here, plus a short little pocket there. So you can run something on along inside there. So that's pretty cool. Over here we have a couple thin pockets, so you can put your pen in there, maybe a flashlight in there. You got a key holder. Yeah, it's okay. It's depending, I don't know, it's plastic. That little piece of plastic right there, I'd be a little concerned on how long that would last. Otherwise it seems pretty rugged, I mean, but that's a really pretty thin piece of plastic right there. But you can put your keys on there. Got another long little pouch here, so you got some long pouches there. Got some short pouches here. Got a cool little snap pouch here, so that can kind of secure something super small and important. You don't have to worry about falling out or touching anything else. So very cool. It's very interesting. So I definitely look forward to putting it up against the other one. So that's a YKK Vision. Yep. Okay. So that's cool. So you got a nice rugged zipper for sure. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool. Let's just quick little outside measurements here. Let's see what we got. Well, we got about 5 inches in length there, and about 4 1/4 inches there. Let's see what we're looking at inside here. So inside we're looking at about 4 inches in length there, about 3 1/2 inches in length there. So you can stick something pretty good size in there, as long as it's probably not too far over 4 1/4 inches. Maybe, it says 4 1/2, but you're gonna have some of that seam area there, so depending on how bulky something is. So overall, these small ends, small pouches, you're looking at about 2.25, depending on how far something will actually slide in the pocket. So they're kind of pretty small. This one's actually even smaller, 1.5 inches. So you're looking at some pretty small stuff there, but overall, it's a little kind of pocket pouch kind of thing. So very cool. Like I said, I look forward to putting it up against some of the more popular ones for sure. So definitely unique. I thought it was very cool to definitely put up against all the other pouches. So that showdown, the big pouch showdown, is coming soon. I think this might be the last pouch that I get. There might be one more, but it depends on, I'm not going to wait forever for it to come out. It hasn't come out yet, and it could sell out very quick when it does. So there you guys go. That is the Sleek Pouch by BrotacGear. I'll leave a link in the description in case you guys want to check them out. Have a great day, guys. We will catch you next time.